Tip-off goes to Denver. Outside Gordon. And there's a nice one-handed slam. Now the Timberwolves with it. Poke loose. Pass to Conley. And it's wide right. Hits off the rim.
There's no getting around the simple fact that that's a shot he has to knock down.
Takes the alley-oop pass and dunks it down. On defense, the Nuggets. 4-point game. Here is Anderson. Outside Conley. 5 to shoot. Lets it go from deep, and he gets it back. And the shot clock expires. 24-second violation. First quarter, just over a minute played. Pass to Porter. Shot clock at 5. Blocked. And it's out of bounds. The Nuggets able to retain possession here. Shot clock at 2. Tries a 3 off the inbound. And he gets the bucket.
That is not enough coverage. Got to do better than that defensively. Basically no coverage. I mean, defense did not look very good there.
And in the first, a little over a minute and a half in. Now here's pass to Caldwell Pope. No good from outside. Now here's Porter. Launches it. No good.
Boy, they're fortunate. The defense was taking a big chance leaving him that wide open behind the arc.
There's the pick. Now Conley. 0. The Timberwolves again can't hit. Murray lets it go from 14. Shot is good off the back rim and in.
I tell you what, fellas, he loves those mid-range jumpers. I mean, that's where he makes his money.
Pass to Anderson. Knocked loose. Here's Porter, and he makes no mistake on the slam dunk. Here's Conley. It's a 9-point spread. And the Timberwolves call time here. Shot from the inbound. Rebound by the Nuggets.
There was just enough defensive pressure to get him off balance and cause that shot to go awry.
And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Gordon, and he gets the bucket. 6 points for him.
And now we can see them really working it inside.
Outside Conley. Another miss by Minnesota.
I can't figure out, guys, what's going on with him this quarter. I mean, he hasn't gotten one shot to drop.
Jokic. Here's the lob to the hoop. An emphatic alley-oop jam. And so it's Minnesota with it, trailing by 13. 0. And just miss after miss right now. The first quarter concludes in a double-digit lead on the scoreboard. Welcome back, folks. We'll see if we're in store for a more tightly contested quarter as we move here into the second. And for the Nuggets, this has been the game they wanted to have. And Minnesota has possession. Out of bounds, Timberwolves ball as Minnesota keeps possession.
We've seen a lot of silly plays like that out of them today. Just way too many.
Now here's Anderson. Shot clock at 6. Another shot. Porter pulls it in. Here's the Nuggets now with the ball. This is the most they've led by 13 points. To the inside. Throws down the alley-oop slam. They need a good offensive possession.
Yeah, they've had a number of empty ones, a long time without a basket.
I got to find something, you're right. 0. Gets an open look and hits. Second quarter of basketball, about 1 minute played so far. They set the pick. Pass to Porter. A 3-ball. And he gets it to go. He's got 5.
You know, he'll make you scratch your head and throw your hands up as a defender. I mean, you just don't know how to play him.
Ball's knocked loose. With the floater, Porter pulls it in. And we're a little over a minute and a half into the second quarter of action. Clock at 6. To the paint. Out of bounds. Minnesota takes possession.
I tell you what, that's just a major unforced error right there, guys. My goodness.
And the Timberwolves making a change here. Minnesota calls timeout. Quarter number 2. We're about 2 minutes in. Okobo. It's hauled in by Gordon.
Hey, I like creativity and a circus finish as much as anybody. But you better be sure you got a chance to make it.
And he slams it one-handed. The Timberwolves really have a tough one to go here. Back to Anderson. Pass to Brown. 6 to shoot. Goes up high for the two-handed dunk. Gordon with it. Goes up on the pick. And he says, right back at you with a big dunk of his own. Pass to Brown. And the shot is good. Here's Caldwell Pope. Gordon with it. Here's Caldwell Pope. Outside Gordon. From outside, off the mark. Towns. And he takes that one up and powers it through. Jokic. And the 3 off target. And that does it for the first half of play. Nuggets